हेलो गाइज, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल शम्स इंग्लिश टॉक। शम्स इंग्लिश टॉक में आपका स्वागत है। आज आप देख सकते हैं हमारे साथ कितने फॉरेनर फ्रेंड्स हैं जो कि इंडिपेंडेंस डे मना रहे हैं जामा मस्जिद पे। टुडे आई विल आस्क क्वेश्चंस। आई ऑलवेज ब्रिंग videos in which I talk with foreigners, and I also teach English in classes, but today I will be talking with them so that you will be happy to listen to them. Okay, so let's start. So what's your name?
Victor.
Oh, nice name, very nice name. Victor is very common name, right? And people name of those people whose name is Victor, they are very good, or you can say they are famous.
It means victory because I always win.
You always win. So what do you do, Victor?
Usually I'm a tata. I bring people all around the world.
So you are a traveler.
I've been to 82 countries. So
oh my God, it's really amazing that this person has visited 82 countries. What do you say about this person? He has visited 82 countries.
Me?
Yeah.
I also visit a lot of countries, not as him.
You all are traveler?
Yes.
Oh, it's really amazing. I will be asking how many countries you have visited?
I think around 20.
Around 20? Yeah. Okay, what do you do? Are you a student or you are a working professional?
I'm a teacher.
You are a teacher. So what do you teach?
I teach biology at high school.
Okay, you teach biology at high school. So what do you think, that it is easy to understand biology or it is difficult?
It's easy.
Yeah, for some students biology is easy, but mathematics is hard for some students.
For some, yes.
Yeah, for some students. Anyone, would you like to speak something? How many countries you have visited?
20 as well.
You have visited 20 countries. And when did you come to India?
When?
Yeah.
Last week, 10 days ago.
And what do you say about Indian people? How do they behave with you?
Well, Indian people is so nice. They are so nice. So we are enjoying too much here.
But at some places you might face difficulties, like just they charge more money. For example, if you take any taxi or if you go to hotel or if you go to any restaurant, might be they ask for more money. Do you face this issue?
Well, I don't think so. For me,
okay, that's good that people don't ask more money from you. But I have met some of my friends, those who are from foreign countries, when they come to visit, they tell me that say to Indian person not to take more money from foreigners because if they take more money, there is bad impression of the country.
Well, but I think it's the culture. For example, in Spain, we are from Spain, so.
Oh, from which city of Spain you are?
Seville. You know flamenco?
Yeah, flamenco.
I'm flamenco.
Oh, it's flamenco?
Flamenco.
Oh, flamenco. Okay. Oh, so you were doing the dance. Anyone would you like to speak here? More? Anyone? If anyone is interested, you speak beautiful. You can also say something.
Hi.
What do you do?
I work in business.
You work in business.
Yes.
And when did you visit India? Means when did you come to India?
It's my very first time here, and we've been here for 2 weeks now.
And one of your friend is dancing. What do you want to say about that?
That he dances so well.
He dances so well.
He's really
Would you like to dance for my audience here?
of course, I will do it for you. Are you ready?
Yes. Everybody is good. Everybody is ready here to watch the dance. Just cameraman focus here. Just he's dancing. Just
Yeah, that's my message.
Sure.
Then what we do is something like this.
Okay. It's amazing. You are a nice person. You are
Thank you.
a very, we can say frank person, very friendly person. And thank you very much, everyone. And it was a very nice talk to you all. And I'm very thankful of you, audience, also. See you again in the video.
One last thing, don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, just main very important thing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. This is the most important thing.
Comment if you like.
Yes, comment, and also comment if you need more videos like this. Thank you very much for giving your precious time.